The other area that you do that's pretty unusual is an estate planner. You do trust litigation. So walk me through that. How did you get into that? Because you said that it kind of happened naturally for you, maybe because you're good at debate. But a lot of estate planners don't. They stay away from that. So what attracted you to trust litigation?
Right. Typically, on an estate plan that's not drafted correctly, and when I say that is where there's an estate plan that has loopholes. Let's say, for example, the estate planner didn't take into consideration that there are step siblings or stepchildren involved. There's a way to draft that. That you need to cover all bases. Or if you have a child where you're having issues with, maybe you want to disinherit. A lot of will contests, trust contests come in. When someone mismanaged funds, that's where I see it. So I draft the estate plan, and then we also do the trust administration when the person passes, which means that we help the trustee manage and close out the trust. So sometimes beneficiaries call my office and say, the trustee didn't give me a copy of the trust. I don't know what's going on. What do I do? Well, the first thing we do is request an accounting, because the trustee has to follow formalities, in order to give beneficiaries their funds. And if they don't follow those formalities or keep the beneficiaries in the dark, then that makes their actions as a trustee questionable to the beneficiary. So we have a lot of beneficiaries mostly coming in saying, so-and-so is managing the trust, but A, I don't see any funds, B, I don't have a copy of the trust, and C, she's going on vacation to Honolulu, and we don't know where our money is. So sometimes I rarely take a client that's money hungry. I do it a lot for principal, just like my clients. So I choose the type of litigation I'm going to go into. So we request demand for accounting, and then if they don't comply, then we file a petition to remove and still demand an account on behalf of that trust.
And I think I met someone that Jenny. She mentioned that there are certain CPAs that specialize in trust accounting. I guess there are people that only do this because you can't just go to any CPA or bookkeeping firm, right?
Correct, and exactly. You want to have a CPA on your side, and which Jenny's one of them that works with my clients that knows how to handle trust accounting, because it's very unique. She handles probate accounting. She handles guardianship of the estate accounting. And that's what you want to have on your side, especially for an estate planner that litigates trusts.